if you are referring regarding dun sa ordinary task reward, kasi may kailangan yun na points. So, hindi nyo siya makukuha kahit mag-live ka ng 1 hour or more than kung wala ka nakukuha gift. Ang live task reward lang po natin na walang target is yung party live task. And then, isa pang reason baka mamaya is wala ka naman talagang live task reward, darling. May mga user kasi na walang live task reward. Male user, female user na may edad, hindi maayos mag-live, or kaya they have multiple accounts on their device. So, yun yung mga reasons why you don't have live task reward na kahit mag-live ka, wala ka talaga makukuha points. Unless may makuha kang gift. Unless may mag-game sa live mo at may manalo, may makukuha kang tips. Or kaya naman, unless kapag ikaw po ay nag-invite ng mga user dito sa application. Once you use your invitation link, at sila ay masipag, nakaka-earn sila, napunta sila sa invited list mo. You can earn up to $14 per invite. And one of the way para makakuha ng points is yung naririnig nyo na trade. Which is ako may coins, ikaw may coins, magpapalitan tayo ng gift. So, ayun yung meaning ng trade. So, maraming ways to get points, darling. So, hindi lang yan basta sa live hours ninyo. Pero syempre, kung meron naman kayong live hours, please make sure na nakakuha ninyo yung lahat ng target ninyo. So, as long as you have 2 over on your live task reward, it means hours in income yun. So, yun lang. For today, naka-off po ko and see you again by tomorrow. So, I'm doing live every 9 p.m. by Tuesday hanggang Saturday. I have some tutorials on my social media accounts. Just search Tita Laika. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and share para na sa ganun mas marami pa pong makaalam. So you can leave a comment as well para na sa ganun kung sakali man po na I still have more time is magawan ko po ng video kagaya nito.